Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Welcome to our Spring Lawn Renovation Series, Episode 2. If you haven't already, check out Episode 1, where first up in our spring renovation, we tackled lawn weeds. Now that you're on top of the weeds, it's time to look at returning your lawn to optimum health. In this video, we are looking at removing thatch. Thatch is the layer of dead organic matter within the turf profile. Removing thatch will help air and nutrients down into your soil base and will help to prevent fungal issues. If your lawn's a bit spongy to walk on, or there's lots of brown dead matter in the profile, then it's time to remove it. There are a few methods to remove thatch, and in some cases you can easily do so by gradually lowering the mowing height to scalp your lawn back. Doing this in spring is ideal, as your lawn will be establishing quickly and it will have time to recover. Make sure you never do this in the cooler months. Some varieties are less able to recover from a scalp as they don't have underground stems called rhizomes to recover from. So if you have a turf variety like softleaf buffalo, you need to make sure you don't take it down too low, as it will need the above ground stems or runners known as stolons to recover from. Another method you can look at is using a dethatching rake. These rakes will have tines that will dig into the profile vertically and pull the thatch out. It is difficult to come by a good one, so you might need to look at something that is a bit more effective if your thatch issue is more severe. If you've got a big build-up of thatch or a large area to cover, you might want to look at a specialised dethatching machine. These machines are designed to remove a lot of thatch without causing too much stress or disturbance to your lawn. You can usually hire these machines from your local machinery hire company. They are cost effective, especially if you've got a large area to do, or if you can split it up between your neighbour and a few mates and get a couple of lawns done at once. Thanks to the team at Kennards Hire Now for allowing us to demonstrate this particular machine today. Firstly, mow your lawn short. This will limit the chance that you will rip out healthy living grass during the dethatching process. The machine has these vertical blades that combs through the grass to remove the dead matter from within the profile. You can set the depth of the machine to make sure it doesn't go too deep. You want it to cut the grass and not hit the soil. Do this before you start the machine. Make sure you fully understand how to use the machine before use, and always use the recommended protective equipment when operating. Once you have run over the lawn with the machine in a couple of passes in different directions, you can easily remove the dead material now on the surface by running your mower over the top with the catcher on. Now that your lawn is free of the build-up of thatch, we can move on to the next step of this renovation, which in this case is compaction, which we will cover in next week's video. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.